Lots of interesting snakes today, and a new cobra and boa. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake is a species of venomous pit viper in the family Viperidae. What an awesome rattle! Green anaconda. The diameter of their body can be up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters. I'm going to take a look under the rocks. An albino cobra and an albino Burmese python. Red-bellied black snake and a boa constrictor. The boa constrictors are one of the largest snakes in the world, along with a reticulated python and anaconda. The albino Burmese python. What a beautiful looking snake. This is a very rare snake. The Burmese python is one of the 5 largest species of snakes in the world. Cobra. All of the known cobras are venomous, and many are capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened. This is a cool snake. It bends. Where the 2 holes are, you can bend it at those points. The length of the body can be straightened out as well. I like it in the sitting position, ready to strike. Blue coral snake. The blue coral snake is known for having a distinct red head, tail and belly. Adults can grow to be almost 6 feet or 2 meters long. This is a white cobra. They would have trouble because they don't have any camouflage. It would expose them to predators and enemies and make it hard for them to ambush prey. The red-bellied black snake. If you look closely underneath, you'll see it has a red belly. A Sidewinder. Coral snake, corn snake, Amazon Tree Boa. It is a non-venomous boa species found in South America. Coral snakes are a venomous snake that live in North America. They are members of the cobra family. The Sidewinder rattlesnake. It's a species of venomous pit viper that uses a sidewinding motion to move across the sand. The corn snake is a North American species of rat snake that subdues its small prey by constriction. They are popular as pet snakes. Burmese python. Burmese python is one of the 5 largest snakes in the world and can reach weights of up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. Chain kingsnake. Rough green snake. Cobra hatchling and king cobra. The cobra When threatened, their ribs expand to make a hood. They make a loud, low hissing noise, and they can spit venom up to 8 feet. And here's a hatchling just coming out of the egg. The rough green snake is a non-venomous North American colorbreed. It is sometimes called a grass snake or green grass snake. The chain kingsnake is a harmless colorbreed species endemic to the US and Mexico. It's a favorite amongst collectors. I need to make some more room. The green anaconda is a member of the Boa family and is the largest and heaviest known snake, not necessarily the longest. Tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is uploaded. Subscribe and like if you like snakes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share with your friends. See you again soon.